Hello everyone, this is Gitika Chawla and today we'll start question number 5 of exercise 3.3 of chapter 3 data handling of class 7. So here just have a look on question number 5 from a book. See in question number 5, so what they are asking here, consider this data collected from a survey of a colony, and mean to say here they have done a survey in a colony and they have just collected data about the sports like cricket, basketball, swimming, hockey and athletics, and they have collected the data regarding then how many people like to watch the sports and how many people like to just participating the sports here. So see here, let's see what is asking here and what is given to you first. It is given that while watching that 1240 people like to watch cricket and only 620 people likes to participate here. Then same in basketball you can see here that 470 people like to watch basketball and only 320 people like to participate in it. Then swimming, 510 people like to watch swimming sports and then 320 people likes to participate in it. Then in hockey, 430 people like to watch hockey and 250 people like to participate in hockey. Then same here in athletics, 250 people like to watch and 105 people like to participate. And you can see here the data in athletics is very less as compared to all, and in cricket this data is more as compared to others. Fine, it means more people like to watch cricket and like to participate here. So let's see what is asking here. In first one part they are asking to draw a double bar graph choosing an appropriate scale here. So let's start it now. See here I have drawn this double bar graph, and here in this see here in horizontal way I have represent the sports, the favorite sports like cricket, basketball, swimming, hockey and athletics, and vertically I have represent the number of people. And to check that the scale which one I have used here, that means I am going to use 1 centimeter as 100 people because their maximum number of people are 1240. So I have to move from 100 to 1300. So I have taken 100 unit gap here. That means 100 units is representing the 100 people. That means 1 unit equals to 100 people, or you can say that 1 centimeter is equals to 100 people. Fine. So see here this one orange color or you can say brown color, which one is visible to you? This one is representing the watching here, and this one green is representing participating. Fine. So see here according to these colors I have used two colors to represent watching and participating. See this one color is representing watching and this one is representing participating, watching, participating, watching, participating. So in this way I have represent this graph here. So see according to the value that how many people like to watch cricket or like to participate or play cricket, I have used here, then I have represent here between 1200 and 1300 there is 1240 the exact data who are watching cricket. So this is representing 1240 that is watching cricket, and there is only 620 people who like to participate in cricket. Fine. So you can see here as again I have divided these boxes according to the given data here. So it's 620 I have to represent, and it is laying between 600 and 700, and there are 10 lines, 10 bars are there. Again there are 10 boxes are there. So I have used this one second box to represent 620. So in same all that I have used this one single box as 10 people, and according to that I have drawn this bar graph here. Then see what is asking here. In first one is asking draw a double bar graph choosing an appropriate scale. Then what do you infer from the bar graph? So what we can see here, first of all I have told you the which one scale they have used here. Then what information you are getting here from that bar graph, you can see here the maximum number of people are like to play and like to watch cricket, and very less number of people like to play and watch athletics here. So see how to write here. Most of the people like watching and participating in cricket, while the least number of people like watching and participating in athletics. So this is the answer of the first part here. The same and second part, see what is saying here. Which sport is more popular? And you can see from the on observing this even graph we can see here which one sport is more popular, that is cricket. Fine. So here the cricket is most popular sport here. Then which is more popular watching or participating in sports? You can see in all these sports, you can see here this one line is, this one bar is always greater than this one bar, this green bar. This shows that watching is more popular. So watching different type of sports is more popular preferred than participating in all the sports. So in this way you can give your answers of the questions by using this graph, this double bar graph.